Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change to a private network in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is to get into settings. So type in settings, then click onto system settings. Now from here, click onto the network and internet tab. Now on the right, we want to go ahead and choose Wi-Fi. Then from here, click onto your Wi-Fi. So here it is here. So I'm going to click onto that. Then from here, we've got network profile type. At the moment, I've got mine currently set to a private network. So this basically means your device is discoverable on the network. Select this if you need file sharing or use apps that communicate over this network. You should know and trust the people and devices on this network. Now, people choose a private network because it allows for file and printer sharing, and it also makes your PC discoverable on the network. Now, this is best for home setups or trusted networks. Now, when not to use a private, so public Wi-Fi, this is cafes, airports, hotels, keep it public for better security.